I'm going to quickly be showing you the fun card party game, What Do You Meme? It's very similar to Cards Against Humanity and how it's run, but the game is slightly different. It's based on viral and popular memes that have come out over the years. It may not be for very modern ones because the game is a little bit older, but still it's very good fun. I've had to be a bit selective with the cards that I've chosen because it is an adult party game. But I'll show you a quick glimpse of one of the cards at the end on how inappropriate can get, but obviously I'll cover up the most inappropriate part. So you do get an easel, and what you do is you have a card picked out from the pile, which is from the dealer. So for instance, this one here is good old Joe Biden. And then the dealer will choose out of all the people playing what card caption they think represents either the photo best or is the funniest. So if you're playing a card, it's best to try and aim it at the person and their personality type. So for instance, we have 4 players. We have that chosen by one, for instance. They'd have a selection of cards that they can choose between, and they've chosen that one, for instance. Then there'd be that one, and then there'd be this one here. Now, also we have one of these sort of cards here, which is one of the slightly more inappropriate. You could probably get what the card says, but I can't show it based on what Amazon's policies say. But as you can see, there can be some inappropriate cards. So the person might have chosen that card there, or maybe this one here, and then the person that dealt that card would get the meme as a sort of token, so that goes towards their total score. And then at the end, it's whoever has the most meme cards is the winner of the game. So as you can see, it looks like it could be aimed at younger children, but it is definitely for older people. So maybe 16 and above is probably where you should be aiming to play, but it really depends on the age and the maturity of the child and how you feel that they would enjoy the game and how they would go with the game. So it's completely up to you, but it is recommended for more mature adults, and it is more aimed at an adult party game. So just be aware when you're buying it that it is made for adults, but it is still a very fun party game to play.